Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to file your W2G tax return. First, let's understand what a W2G is. This form reports specific gambling winnings to the IRS. You'll receive one if your winnings meet certain thresholds, such as $600 or 300 times your wager, or if they exceed $1, 200 from bingo or slot machines. It's crucial to have this document when preparing your taxes. Once you have your W2G, you'll need to report these winnings on your tax return. Generally, you'll list them as other income on Schedule 1 of your Form 1040. If federal income tax was already withheld from your winnings, this amount will be shown in Box 2 of your W2G. Make sure to include this withheld tax on line 25B of your Form 1040 to get proper credit. Many people wonder about deducting gambling losses. You can deduct losses, but only up to the amount of your winnings, and you must itemize deductions on Schedule A. This means if you won $5,000 but lost $7,000, you can only deduct $5,000 in losses. It's absolutely essential to maintain meticulous records of all your gambling activities to substantiate any claimed losses. To ensure a smooth filing process, double-check that you've included all your W2G forms with your tax return. If you have winnings from multiple sources or complex gambling income scenarios, it's often wise to consult a qualified tax professional. They can help navigate specific rules and ensure you're maximizing any eligible deductions, helping you avoid potential issues with the IRS.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.